Hola y bienvenido. Hello and welcome to Learning Spanish for Kids Spanish lesson on a trip to school. Let's get started. Esta es mi escuela. This is my school. Can you say esta es mi escuela? Muy bueno. Very good. Este es mi casillero. This is my locker. Can you say, este es mi casillero? Excelente! If you're watching this video, hit the like button or you can subscribe. Esta es mi español clase. This is my Spanish class. Can you say, este es mi español clase? Muy bueno. Very good. Este es mi maestra. This is my teacher. Can you say, este es mi maestra? Excelente. Excellent. Este es mi escritorio. This is my desk. Can you say, este es mi escritorio? Muy bueno. Very good. If you're watching this video, hit the like button or you can subscribe. Estos son mis cuadernos. These are my notebooks. Can you say, estos son mis cuadernos? Excelente. Esta es la biblioteca. This is the library. Shh. Can you say, esta es la biblioteca? Muy bueno. Very good. Este es mi amigo means this is my friend. Can you say, este es mi amigo? Excelente! If you're watching this video, hit the like button or you can subscribe. Este es la cafeteria means this is the cafeteria. Can you say, este es la cafeteria? Muy bueno. Very good. Wow, you've made it to the end. Thank you for watching Learning Spanish for Kids Spanish lesson on a trip to school. Until next time, adios.